Hey guys, so as you can see, I have like NexLev Pro 50% off a bill monthly here, and I just like canceled the plan, and I just want to show you how you can get cheaper NexLev Pro. So how it actually works and what is the process, I will show you right here the invoices. So this is the amount that I paid, and what you can actually do is when I'm going to, let's say, view plan here, not only that you can actually like check, sometimes no Morris is pasting like promo codes, or you can get like cheaper. Not only that, but also if you're gonna try cancel, so if you're gonna try cancel the plan, let's say on a monthly basis, then it's going to offer you that, it's like don't cancel it, come back, something like that in those words. And then what you're gonna do is that in those words it's going to say like, when you can like try to cancel the plan, okay, so here's like 30% for the next 2 months down, 40%, 50%, and that's something that you want to try and check out. Maybe it's going to help you. So first, check No Morris if he's posting like the codes. This is something that I get like much cheaper. And not only that, check also like when you try to cancel, and it's going to work. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day.